Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how do I keep my Amazon Music playing. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To keep Amazon Music playing continuously without interruptions, what you can do is make sure shuffle and repeat are set correctly. So to do it, head over and open up the Amazon Music app and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is navigate to your music player, and then once you are here on the bottom of the options, you'll find an option that says shuffle, which is generally the overlapping arrow icon. And then once you tap on that, make sure it's highlighted as it is the indication of turning the shuffle on. And to repeat the music, what you can do is simply tap on the repeat icon, which is generally the arrow forming circle, and make sure it is highlighted but not showing a one number. Then you can also avoid pausing or stopping playback by not manually pausing or stopping the music and letting it breathe through. And then you can also use offline mode to ensure your playlists are fully downloaded too, so playback doesn't stop due to connection issues. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.